Yo, the Bloms are back in this bitch, bringing back some dope ass rap. This song's called Still Stabbing. About to kick a little shit for you. Yeah. I still stabbing motherfuckers. The hot blonde not be stopped. Willie starting the controversy, blonde brings the beatings. You chop me, pop the ring Mother's parade. That's a bloodbath. Yeah, I heard the drip, but he's a scumbag. I haven't done bad. I was no fool in school, it ain't cool to test my nuts. Step aside, you'll bite the knife, you slobber. Call me the living Jason, I'm rushing for mama, don't stop it. Cause I got a mini machete heat deep in my pockets, the bloody beauty. The blonde ain't trying to see the one who can see me, cause she needs me. And the same damn thing vice versa. And I wouldn't bleed anybody trying to stop us. You can refuse with them Glocks up, but I give a lot of knives. I'm the type of guy to bring a knife to a gunfight. Yeah, I'll let you laugh. Last my mind doesn't run, right? If when you finger on the trigger, you flinch cause I'm on the sprint. And when I slit your skin, you regret calling mama a dumb bitch. Sir, I'm the blonde berserk, you know, get hurt. If you disturb her nerves or burn a purple green shirt, I hit like a tank. But these just shanked up my blood bank. You do this thing. You gotta be so crazy. This is a cheesy prank. I also put the death penalty, but y'all dummies will be the exception. Cause I'll stab that ass in the middle of bushy protection. I gotta be cool with you fools. If it wasn't with my brother, and the day I play a bass, stabbing motherfuckers. I can get vicious. I've done crimes since apply Halo time. I like to have a guy standing in mama's eyes. Here's an example. A nigga with a little brain in his temple. I took him up and bust him up just like a pit bull. It's simple. I don't give a fuck if you're 999. Blind, cripple, crazy, don't face me. You fucking have to be pushing up daisies. Something hard, plucking charges would like to do you, biff. Fuck a gun, dip a pawn stick, killing too quick, a trouble bitch. I'll stab that. I'll get the shit out that ass. You're all childish. At my craziest to be a dead bitch. You better get sucking the tickle to your headless. I hate all humans, so I'm not prejudiced, I'm an equalist. You get such a bitch, but avoid the most bubble tits. All hoes that know me know that blonde niece really for a crack. But I have the body of Hercules. These ladies stay with this nut sack. I'm off topic. I'm throwing songs at our bar discussion. Say you bustin' ain't nothing to holes where blood is pumping. I'll be killing your mommy, your daddy, your cousins, and your sis. You get the picture. I leave no witnesses. You can go with the Pacino, bro. You ain't Scarface's little brother. And a protected mother. Besides motherfuckers, you more crazy than me thinking you're getting some. Cause the only thing that you witnessed on that second, punk. If the cut wasn't able to spill enough blood, you're in the basement locked in the bus. Cramped in a motherfucker. You see that everybody that would trick me and the me certain mommy didn't kill me. Better bring the SWAT team. Cause I'm strapping braces and weed. So while you screaming, I'll be laughing, brutally hacking. I'ma let all y'all hoes know this. But I'm observing the stuff is recommended to play blows with. It's from the rumors, I heard that you're a soldier who's harder than a diamond. With no practice on experiment, you're an infant with college. Idiot nigga, I'm delivering Freddy. Better believe me, I'll pull the knife from behind, have your jaw hanging like Foxy. Can't stop me from making you bleed. Even the nigga's a mobster, I'll leave you wetter than the lobster. Even at the doctor, in the hospital, which condition be critical. I'ma smother your brother with a pillow. There's no bombos. I'm intelligent, I don't forget any evidence, sucker. If I'm gonna hurt you, I say motherfucker, fucker.